You can mess up a lot of things and still make money online, but the one thing you have to get right is your website. That means if you do not have a website that looks professional, you're basically screwed. So what if we took care of this unfortunate problem for you and gave you a breakthrough software that cleverly clones any website on demand? Now, I know that sounds impossible, maybe even illegal, but actually, this is 100% legal and it works flawlessly. Go ahead, Forbes, Huffington Post, BuzzFeed, the options are limitless. You can clone any site that you want on demand. That means that you never have to create another website or web page ever again. And not to mention, you get to choose what you take. So go ahead and take the best looking pages on the internet, because with Take It, the internet is your oyster. So at this point, you may be wondering, why is this tool so important? Well, don't make a mistake about it. Your website is your number one income source online. Get it right and the traffic and customers find you. But get it wrong and, well, you probably won't make any significant money at all. Now think of sites like CNN, ESPN, Fox News, and Digital Marketer. These sites grab floods of free traffic on a daily basis, and they make tens of thousands of dollars in daily passive profits. Now, to get anywhere near close to a site of that quality, you'd need to spend thousands of dollars for developers, for premium page builders, and programming skills. But worst of all, you'd have to invest thousands of hours of your own time. So let's take a look at how Take It can help you build an online business in the next 60 seconds. Take It enables you to instantly take over any site that you want and display it with your own monetization. So let's say you're in the sports niche. How great would it be to clone the ESPN website and effortlessly monetize it with your own offers and opt-in forms, while enjoying the built-in authority and viral traffic that the ESPN content generates? Now, imagine being able to do that in any industry or niche on the internet by taking over any website on the planet. And guess what? You didn't have to write a single word of content. It's all cloned for you, including the text, the design, the website features, and it even comes with premium hosting included. So forget about buying domains, websites, or hosting services, because with Take It, everything is already included. But let's talk about the best part: how to actually make money with our Take It software. Get this, Take It comes with done-for-you monetization with stunning customizable pages that put your offers in front of every single visitor. That means that you can clone any website that you want on demand and then monetize it. It's really that simple. Without creating any content, without paying for ads, and without any technical skills or know-how at all. This is your ultimate shortcut to top performing, fully monetized websites in the next 60 seconds. And right now, Take It is on an exclusive launch special, which means you can get it right now for a low one-time price and no monthly fees, if you get it during the launch week. On this page, we have even more details about our Take It software, including the results from our awesome beta testers. So the time to make a decision is now. Either way, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys inside the members area for Take It.
Hi everyone, this is Diego, and this is a quick demo on how you can clone any site and monetize it using Take It. For this example, we are going to start creating a new campaign. You can do it from here or by clicking the button here, create new campaign. And the first step that we need to start filling is the campaign name, my first test. Now we need to choose what site or page we want to clone. So in this example, I'm going to clone this article that I already have here. I'm going to copy and paste the URL here, and now we are going to select our template. We have different options here. For subscription forms, we have simple text and button forms, and video boxes if you want to embed any YouTube video. For this example, we're going to use the subscription forms. let's start looking at some of them. For example, you can click the preview button and you are going to start seeing how it's going to look. So these are the different templates, and let's select another one here. Alright, so for this example we are going to use this one. What we would like to do now is to change the text here. For that we just go here and start changing the text. So this is my new title, and I'm going to increase a little bit the font here. What I would like to put on the bottom link, I'm going to put on the bottom, I'm going to put download now, and this is the main description. Alright, so what I'm doing is changing this and this text here and the label on the bottom. So let's keep filling all the details here. Now, after the user subscribe, where we want to redirect the user to what page? This can be an affiliate link, this can be another sales page. In this example we are going to set for Google, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Alright, next step is where you want to save those leads, people who subscribe to your pop-up. For this example we are going to save locally, so we can download it later from Take-It. I'm going to show you that in a moment. And the final step is to put some of the pop-up settings to show how you want to, or when do you want to show the pop-up. We have different options here. You can show the pop-up on the scroll event of the page. That means that when I start scrolling down, the pop-up is going to appear. You have other options like delay pop-up, that you can set in after how many seconds you want to show the pop-up. You have mouse out, that means that if you are here and you start moving your mouse out of the window, the pop-up is going to appear. Alright, so for this example let's put on scroll, and some other settings that you can add to your pop-ups are a countdown timer. You can add social sharing buttons for Facebook, Twitter, and actually this part is more than 40 animations, and this is part of the upgrade Take-It effects. So that's it. We're going to save and publish this. Alright, now we can preview our campaign, and if I start scrolling down, the pop-up is going to appear here with our text and changes that we have made. So I'm going to actually subscribe here, and when I click here I should be redirected to Google because that's what we set on the settings. So I'm clicking here and the page start redirected to Google. Now let's go back to Take-It, because I said to save the leads locally. I can go here to the opt-in subscribers and start looking to all the people who subscribe to my pop-ups and from where they did it. The campaigns are saved here, and you can copy the URL here simply by clicking the button, and then you can paste and start sharing this URL everywhere. Again, I'm just scroll down and the pop-up appeared. I'm going to do one more example. I'm going to create a new one. Test number 2, very easy, quickly. I'm going to copy the same URL, and for this example I'm going to select, alright, this one. By the way, as you can see, there's an image here. You can also change the image. If you don't change it, it's going to use the same template. I'm just going to start writing something here. I'm not going to do anything more than just change this for a mouse out pop-up, for example. And for this I'm going to add actually some of the sharing buttons. Alright, I'm going to save this and let's take a look now. So now if I start scrolling, nothing is happening. But if I move out my mouse, then you have the pop-up here. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching this.